Terraforming challenge, here are the results. Last month I gave you guys a terraforming robot that I created in Blender and challenged you guys to create a terraforming photo manipulation using any photos that you like, so you had the total freedom. With one exception, you can't use the desert theme, desert topic, because I already used it in my version of terraforming robot that you can watch on the link right there, how I made my terraforming story. But otherwise than that, you had a total freedom, and also the deadline was till the end of July. You guys sent me a bunch of great photos. I'm really happy about your imagination, your ideas. There are some brilliant ideas came up from this challenge. There are some photos that are, the topic is not terraforming. You use terraforming robot, but the topic is not terraforming, but I still include it here because the ideas are really brilliant. You will see that. You can see all of these entries. There are almost 100 entries here on the screen. You can see all of them, and after all of these photos that will be listed here in this video, I will choose few of my favorite ones that I will also feature in my Instagram stories, so you can check it on my Instagram account too. Now I will let you watch all these entries and come back soon. You saw all the entries, and there are some really amazing ideas there. Also, there are some great ideas without such a great realization of the photo manipulation, but don't worry about that. That just means that you're just in the beginning of the path of photo manipulation. You need just to practice a little bit more to develop your style, to follow 3 basic rules of photo manipulation, that all the photos needs to have same lighting, same perspective, and also same color from all the elements there. So don't worry, just practice, and you will for sure be better and better with each and every artwork that you create. Now I will present my favorites here, and initially I thought to present just 3 of them, but I will present actually 5 of them because I couldn't decide between these 5 which 3 to basically feature here on my channel, and let's do with all the 5. Without any particular order, this is what I choose. So first photo is this one right here that I really love because the story is a little bit different. The terraforming robot is crashed, and you can see a bunch of details here, like this is broken, like it's a broken glass here, and there are some details here that you can see, trucks and trails, which I really love, and also some guys here with some military hammer here, and also a few guys here and there, but because of those small details here down there, these guys, etc., we can see how huge this terraforming robot is, and it's amazing. You can see the helicopter here, another great detail, I really love it, and also you can see the outer of this photo manipulation here in the bottom corner of the screen, and also you can see all of them that are featured here. You can find a link to their Instagram accounts down there in the description. Check them out and see what they're else doing with their artworks. Okay, another great photo manipulation that I really love is this one, and this is totally different than the previous one, than this one, because this is more futuristic. This is something like I don't know, some kind of futuristic samurai with some really cool sword. I really love it. Also some cool details are these probably from Spider-Man, from the Dr. Octopus, these claws. So I really like that detail, and also terraforming robot, and a lot of things is going on here. I love the sky and all these things that are going on there, and these, I don't know, spaceships, some flying saucers that are going here and there. I love the overall mood, the basically monochromatic look of this photo, and it's like on some kind of alien planet, and or it's basically on an Earth, but some future Earth, and it's terraforming it to look like an alien planet. Whatever, it's really cool. Again, you can see the outer of this artwork here in the corner of the screen. Check it out, also his Instagram account. Alright, the next one is this one. Again, futuristic work with some cool futuristic buildings here and there, and a lot of details. I choose this one because there are a lot of details here, and I really like the story and how huge the space is here. So this is really nice. Obviously there are a few things that can be improved, but I will not talk about that. I will not critique the work. Maybe there will be some episodes. If you like, guys, let me know down there in the description that you can send me your artwork and I can maybe critique, do something like that. But it's really nice. A huge story here is going on, and I really like it. And also another one is this one, where there is another crashed terraforming robot. I really like the way how this is done. This is one guy that is climbing the mountains and came to see what is going on here. And also there are some working robots right there in the back. They are huge, and I really love the mood, the lighting, the idea, the realization. It's really cool. And also check out the outer of this artwork down there in the description. And another one is this one, and this is probably visually most left the most impact on me, because the terraforming robot is changed. There are really cool lighting beam here, lights in the sky, a lot of things is going on here, but it's again so simple and symmetric, almost like symmetric, but I really love it. What I would love here to see is probably maybe more details, maybe some kind of a boat here and something is going on, but or maybe something in the sky, but no matter than that, I really love the idea, the realization, the light, the mood, again, monochromatic look, amazing. And also check out the outer down there in the description. So that would be it for this terraforming challenge. I thank you all guys who put the effort and time to create something like this. This is amazing for you guys to practice, have fun, and see what other people can do from the same idea, same topic, how great and different creative ideas can be born out of exactly the same topic, terraforming robots. So have fun, experiment, see you in my next fun video, and probably see you in another cool challenge that I will host in future.